garage is arriving. Big heavy load. First day of going vertical. They delivered everything yesterday, unloaded everything. Getting ready to, I think, engage the lift. Just giving a view here. Supposed to have severe storms today, so they want to get vertical and tied in before they kick in. So, beautiful there. You can't see Rome Mountain at all. You can see the base of it. Can't see the top. Blue sky here in places above the clouds. They were just talking about tornadoes because we're at enhanced risk of storm, but we were laughing. We're at the altitude tornadoes are formed, then they go down to the ground. Well, I wanted to give a little information here. You saw the garage arrive. This is the first day. They put down, or first day after delivery. They put down the side pieces, and then they're going to start doing the vertical pieces. As you can see here, that was the first one going in. I wanted a commercial type garage. I thought it would be the easiest. The solar panels are going to be in the open field where it was cleared. This will be the building that will house the inverters, the water pump, my shop, and parking garage. I'll go into some details that I could not find online about the commercial building. It can withstand a lot higher winds, and since we're at 4,000 feet and needing to be self-insured, isolated, also from any fire department, I wanted to make sure it was a good sturdy structure. The exterior skin, being metal, is what the house will match also. And you'll see it go up here in the next couple of months, I hope. You'll see another video soon showing how this building is built and little details that was important to me. One of the major things that was important to me was a full turnkey package, as I indicated earlier. Chad, with Appalachian Shed out of Spruce Pine, did an amazing job. I've heard horror stories about finger pointing between the garage door opening and the shed company. Not Heritage, but others. Typically, sheds like this or garages like this uses a coiling door. I wanted the standard overhead garage door, but that's done by a full third party. Apparently, Heritage, Appalachian Shed out of Spruce Pine, Chad, they all know each other and they've all worked together, and they provided a full turnkey, 100% turnkey package. I could not be more pleased. You'll see some of those photos and details later. Thank you very much for coming along.